In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an About Us page on Shopify. Creating an engaging, informative About Us page can really help deepen the connection between you and your customers. Through this simple guide, you'll be well on your way to crafting an impactful page that highlights your brand's story and mission. So, let's get started. First, you're going to want to head over to your Shopify website editor. Once you're there, look towards the top of the page. You'll see the page name displayed. Clicking on it will produce a drop-down menu. This drop-down is essential as it gives you access to various sections of your site, including the page creation tools we'll need. From this drop-down menu, go ahead and click on Pages. This selection will lead you to the page management area. Here's where the magic happens. You'll want to find and select the option that says Create Template. By choosing this, you're initiating the process of creating a brand new page for your site. Now it's time to give your page a name. Since we're making an About Us page, you'll want to name it as such. Simply type About Us in the field provided. This name is crucial as it clearly tells your visitors and Shopify what this page is about. After naming the page, you'll be prompted to choose a page design. It's generally a good idea to stick with the default page setting at this stage. The default option provides a solid foundation, giving you a well-structured layout to start with. With your page named and the design template chosen, it's time to proceed. You'll now want to click Create Template. This action formally sets up the structure for your About Us page. You've effectively laid the groundwork for what will soon be a captivating introduction to your brand. Now that the About Us page is created, it's time to shift focus to customization. This step is where you'll truly bring your brand to life. On the left-hand panel of your editor, there's an option labeled Ad Block or Ad Section. You can select these to start placing various elements and content within your page. Choose a location on the page that you'd like to begin adding your elements to, and let your creativity take over. At this point, the style and content of your About Us page are entirely in your hands. Think about the key messages you want to communicate to your audience. Maybe it's your company's history, your team, or your mission statement. Consider using images that reflect your brand's personality or videos that offer a behind-the-scenes look at your business. And that's all there is to it. With these steps, you've got a foundational page ready to go on Shopify. You've just ensured your visitors have a welcoming place to learn more about you. So go ahead, start crafting that compelling story, and watch your connection with your customers grow. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!